Crack BSc Nursing exam in first attempt. Hello students, today we are going to give you an overview about features offered by Ease to Learn. In online exam preparation, you will get access to many features of Ease to Learn preparation course. We are going to discuss about these features. After signing up in, you will see the selected courses dashboard. You need to read the guide carefully. Here you will get detailed analysis of how you will crack any exam in 5 simple steps with the help of Ease to Learn features. You need to update your email ID if you want online teacher to answer your queries. You will get the study material by clicking on study material on your dashboard. Now you have to select or search a topic and click on that topic to get your notes. The study material will be in different formats like video, PPT, PDF, and web text. After completing any topic, you can assess yourself in Smart Learning section. You have to select any topic and then go to learning mode to practice topics. Here you can identify your knowledge gap and bridge this knowledge gaps with the help of ETL structured learning sessions. If you have started any new topic, then progress bar will show 0% progress. Try to solve question as many as you can, and if you don't know the answer, you can click on help button to understand the topic and to get your correct answer. You will get options in help section, that is Tony AI, your personal AI teacher that will explain you the whole topic in simple and short language, and ETL help where you will get your notes to revise again that topic. Once you attempt any topic, you will started seeing your progress bar showing different graph according to your progress. After completing your practice session, you can submit that learning assessment and you will see your progress bar for that topic and analytics of that learning assessment, where you can see how many attempted questions were right and how much time you took to complete the assessment. After completing a topic in learning mode, if your progress bar turned green, then go to competitive mode and select that topic to give a test. You can create the test according to you. You will not get any help in competitive mode. You have to attempt the whole test by yourself. You can assess your understanding and proficiency in specific subjects or areas of study. They help identify strengths and weaknesses, allowing for targeted practice and improvement. After submitting your test, you will get analytics of that test. By focusing on individual topics, you can refine your knowledge and enhance your overall performance in the subject. After completing your topics, you can go to exam test, where you will get exam simulated mock tests prepared exclusively for your exam. All latest questions are given according to syllabus of the current year. These mock tests are made to exam ready you. You can check your speed and time management here. After submitting your test, you will get analytics of that test, where you will see your speed, accuracy, and time management. You can check your drawbacks in the reports and analytics sections, which holds all records of all the learning mode test, competitive mode tests, and mock tests. You can check your overall performance. You can check the details of your attempted and unattempted questions of the test in view answer section. You will get explanation of the question as well, if needed. You can get explanation of the questions by clicking help button. You can get online teacher support if you have any doubt. You just have to write your query related to that question and send it. You will get solution. You can check your performance in detail, where you can identify your weak areas and then fill the knowledge gap of weak topics. Then you can attempt mock tests. Before working on your weak sections, practicing mock tests will be not fruitful, so try to bridge the knowledge gap before attempting mock tests. Next comes time management. Here you will get to know where you are taking more time and where you have to minimize your time. In comparative studies section, you can compare your rank with toppers and other students. You can add multiple courses from all courses section. After adding multiple courses, you can switch between the courses. To crack your exam, join us today and see your dreams come true. For any query, you can contact us on the given mail or contact number. All the best for your exam.